planning a menu for your Super Bowl party? Pulled pork might be your top draft pick. We put two popular devices head to head to see which would take home the hardware, the Big Green Egg or the Instant Pot. It's a Consumer Reports face-off. CR's experts started with pork shoulder. 4 pounds went into the Big Green Egg, where it cooked over lump charcoal and mesquite wood chips for 4.5 hours. We put 4 pounds into an Instant Pot where it's slow cooked on high for 7 hours. And another 4 pounds went into a second Instant Pot on the pressure cook setting, searing the meat on the sauté setting first and adding a little water to build pressure. Total cook time, 120 minutes. Don't have a Big Green Egg or an Instant Pot? No problem. We also baked 4 pounds in an oven at 300 degrees for 5 hours and got similar results to the Instant Pot. Next, our field of specially trained sensory taste testers sampled all 4 pork preparations, first plain and then with barbecue sauce. The winner? Let's go to the instant replay. The pork from the Big Green Egg was the only one to score a smoky flavor. The texture was chewier with some crispy edges. If you like pulled pork on the smokier side, this is definitely the right call. Both meats cooked in the Instant Pot were tender, soft, and moist, but the pressure cooker setting was a whole lot faster. So if you're not planning on an all-day tailgate, this is a good option. Final score? Too close to call. Both the Big Green Egg and Instant Pot are solid team players. So for this Consumer Reports face-off, fans who love pulled pork are the winners.